In this video, we will create a field map using Power BI. So it's basically the shades will indicate if that particular, if you look at this Excel file, it says if Amazon fulfillment centers are there in these following states. If yes, there would be a different shade on that map. If no, there will be a different shade on that map. And that's how the field map will be created on Power BI. So this is the Excel file. How do we create that? We create it by going to Power BI, of course, and then launching this Excel file. So going to Power BI, get to get data. You can close this, you can get to get data and go to this particular data set. That is Amazon Fulfillment Center. Wherever you have your data set, go there. So then the Amazon Fulfillment Center data will open up here. And if you look at the data, it will give you, there is one problem with this. Once you see this data, there is one problem. What is the problem? The problem is I can see column 1 and column 2 is basically the headers, and the first row should be the headers actually. So how do I transform the data? I need to transform it so that the first row becomes the headers in this case. Otherwise, column 1 and column 2 shows that the first row is state and Amazon Fulfillment Center. That's not the case. Of course, the first row should be Alabama and you have Amazon Fulfillment Center there. That should be the first row. So how do I do it? You click here, and you click here, and it opens up and says use first row as headers. Do that. Use first row as headers, and then you can close it. Say yes, it will open up and apply the changes automatically. So now I'm going to the Canvas page of it once it's loaded. So now the Canvas page is there. Go to field map. This is field map. Go here to field map, and this one will open up. So you can expand it. Then go to data. What you can find is state. This state is the location. So that will come, drag and drop it under location. And then drag and drop Amazon Fulfillment right under Legends. So then it will tell you, it will tell you that these are the lighter blue shades are the ones where there is no Amazon Fulfillment Center. See, Alaska doesn't have it. See, Montana doesn't have it. See, North Dakota doesn't have it. South Dakota doesn't have it, and so on. And then Louisiana doesn't have it. And then the purple shade will show you that these are the ones where you have the Amazon Fulfillment Center. You just click on any of these states and you can see West Virginia doesn't have it as well. And maybe here, Vermont doesn't have it and Maine doesn't have it. So you can see the lighter blue shade are the ones Amazon Fulfillment Centers don't have their presence there in those states. And then the darker, purple are the ones where Amazon Fulfillment Centers are present there. So that's how you create a field map using Power BI. Using Power BI, field map is a very, very strong thing to understand the geographic dispersion of anything that we are talking about, of any of these variables, like say state population, which ones have higher populations, which ones have lower populations. In terms of shades, it would be different, and then you can find it out on your own. Field map is where you have to go. Field map is where you have to go to create field map on Power BI, okay, using Power BI. Thank you.